Hello, today we're going to be making triangles. So what you'll need is paper, scissors, pencils, and a ruler. Now I've got big scissors. Now if you've got a grown-up with you, then big scissors are fine. If you don't have a grown-up, then please get use a safe scissors. 10:30. Oh, what was she doing? I'm doing my live. I do a live every morning at 10 o'clock. Okay. So right, where are we? I've lost you. I've lost you completely. Where are you? You're not there. You're not there. And you're there. You are. Found you. Found you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to. Where are you? Where are you? There we go. Right now, that way I've found a place where you can put messages on, and I've got you there. No, I don't. Right. Okay. So I'm going to get a piece of paper. I'm going to turn this around so you can see what I'm doing, because I don't have my special camera that shows me what I'm doing. So if I can see if you're making comments now, and I don't have my special camera that shows you what I'm doing properly. So I have to kind of use my computer a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to make triangles. We're going to make lots of different triangles. So I'm going to use the edge of my paper. So in fact, I can make a triangle, look, just like that, boom, all the way across there, just like so. Whoops, that didn't show very well. Maybe I'll use this one. Yeah, use that one, you'll be able to see it better. There we go, draw a line across, all the way across, and then I'll get my scissors out, and then this one I'm going to draw a different, completely different type of triangle. I'm going to make it like a big chunky triangle like this. Instead of a long skinny one, I'm going to make a big chunky triangle like so, and we're going to cut them out. I'm not going to spend very, very long doing this, because I'm going to cut some triangles, and then you're going to go off. I'm going to show you what to do, and then you're going to go off and make as many triangles as you can. So I'm cutting this out now. So make sure you've got a grown-up with you to cut out. If you don't have safe scissors, make sure your grown-up knows what you're doing. I've got another triangle there, and I wonder if I can make another triangle here. I'm going to make a really crazy triangle. I'm going to make a triangle that looks like a tie. Look at that. Wow. So I've got this triangle here that looks like at the side of a door there, like a corner of a room. You put that into the corner of a room and see if that fits right into the corner of a room. This one doesn't look like a corner of anything, does it? It's a very, what shape does that look like? What could it be? What could that look like? So you can think about what all the different triangles could look like, and that's nice and chunky. What could that be? Oh, I know what that could be. And you could take all these triangles and you can draw on them. You think, well, okay, well, you can make different shapes and color them in, and then stick them on a piece of paper, and you can make things. That I can think of one thing that is very much looks like, I think it looks like the roof of a house. So you can do the same triangle and color and maybe make other shapes, make the rest of the house maybe with cutting out another different shape. Think about what shape you're going to cut out, and then you can do that. But you can also, now look what happens. You ready? I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold the triangle. Now what have I got? I folded the triangle. I've got, right now, what I've just done, I've got another triangle. See that triangle there? I folded it. I didn't fold it right along. I folded it in one. I didn't fold it right at the top. I didn't fold it in half. I could have folded it in half to see what happens. And then I've got two triangles that are the same. And then, then we can do different things. Then we can make other different things, can't we? We can do lots of things by just folding bits of paper. folding two triangles the same, you might make one thing, but if you fold it completely differently, just kind of along there, you've got, look at this, you've got a little bitty triangle there sticking out. You've also got this other triangle here. And then what bit of, if I fold that down and tuck that away on the back, what shape have we made by folding a triangle? Let's see how many edges it's got. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, you could maybe cut this one off and make something out of it. What does that look like? And you could cut and then put this on your, if you make a big poster and stick this on, what could this be? What could you make it into? What colors could you draw on it? You can do the same with all of these. I've got this other one. So we could do, I don't know, what do we go? We can do that. Oh, look, I found something here. If I fold it over like that, I found something I like the look of. You might see something different. Or you can fold it just a little bit. If you fold it just a little bit, there's a very famous airplane called a Concorde airplane that might look a little bit like that. And you can cut them, fold the triangles. You can fold it more than once. So you could have that one folded in front and that one folded over there. And again, we've got another different one again. We could fold that in half. Will it fold? And that's another question. Can you fold it in half? Is there a place where you can fold it in half? What happens if you fold it in half? Ooh. Oh, well, that doesn't quite fold in half, does it? That bit doesn't look the same as that bit, and that still has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides when you fold down a triangle. Just lots and lots of different things. Just play with it and talk about it and find out if you, when you fold it, you make a triangle. Find out if you fold it, how many edges the other shape has, and cut them out and paint them and draw them and stick them on a bigger piece of paper and make yourself a nice bit of art, or make yourself a model of something by cutting out triangles. So you always start with a triangle and then you fold them and cut them and see what shapes you make. And that's your art. And that's what we're doing today. And this is something I made earlier. Lots of nice colors. So I folded it and then I folded it and I painted that triangle. Then I folded it and I painted that triangle. And I folded it, I painted that triangle. I've got, look, I managed to make a rectangle on the back. Ha! It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 edges, just lots of different. And then I followed the lines that I'd made. So I drew that shape by folding these two in. So then I had this shape in the middle. And then when I opened it out, I colored in the rest of it. And look what I've got. It's just like you can do loads. So enjoy and see you again tomorrow morning. Thank you for joining me. And I'm going to see if anybody's, so please do follow us on Facebook. Subscribe on Facebook. That's the Maths Toys and the Bubbly Maths YouTube channels. I don't know what I just said. I meant to say YouTube. And then also share. You can share this post. Please share it. And if you feel, if this is being of value to you and you feel other parents or people with kids at home will benefit from it, please do share these lives. So that other people can benefit from them, or just tell them about it. Tell them about the group and encourage people to join the group. Hi, James. Oh, yay. Okay, James and Dylan. Can you post pictures, Adela? Now, I couldn't see the pictures you posted last time. So maybe if you upload it as a post, like in the Making Maths Fun, literally just upload the pictures into the group rather than sharing it. Because I couldn't see, it must be the way you got your privacy set up. We couldn't see the pictures. It'd be great to see what James and Dylan are doing. So glad you're here. And let's see if we've got anything in the, oh, I didn't start the watch party. Never mind. That's life. I could start it now and just have it running, couldn't I? There you go. Watch party running. Bye-bye watch party. So that's the start the watch party and let them. Okay, can't share it. That's why I couldn't share it. That's why. Okay, lovely. Thank you for joining. And I will stop the live. And as I say, please do share if you find it of value. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow, same time.